We introduce new model 2021 Novadex N6 portable ultrasound scanner in most economical price. Backlight folding keyboard with 8 steps TGC. 12-inch LCD with high deflection resolution. USB port. Video out, VGA out for external LCD. 2 probes connectors. Multi-frequency convex probe.
Superb, outstanding, in most economical price.
4B modes.
Outstanding, outstanding, comparable with any high quality resolution ultrasound machine. Image storage.
Measurements. Measurements. Press left to start measurement and press right to end.
Press left, start measurement, and end to left. Press left.
For Obmoramenta.
Select one to BPD. Press left. Get one start. Yes. Right and measurements. We get BPD with weight in gram. Again obstetric press, table, select number 4 key, femur length, press left, start and right. We get measurements, femur length, and to left. Thank you very much.